What is the solution to the following system? They give you a system of two linear equations. We have two equations of lines, and we want to find the solution. Now you can decide whether you want to do it by combination or substitution. In this case, since I don't see a variable by itself, I'm not going to do it by combination. The only thing that I want to make sure that they're lined up, that they're on standard form. My x, my y, my equal sign, and then my number. So therefore the first one's fine. The second one, I need to be able to move my 2x to the very front. So I can have my x, my y, my equal sign, and then my number. So I have 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. That's a 2x. Move it to the left, we can say negative 2x. Negative 2y is still negative 2y. And my 4 is still positive. So notice that the only thing that I switched was a 2x, and that's the only one that got changed to the opposite. I need to decide whether I want to cancel my x's or my y's. In this case, I'm going to cancel my y's. I'm going to multiply by negative 1. So my first equation says the same. That becomes a 2x plus 2y equal to negative 4. And the reason I multiply by negative 1 because I wanted them to make the same number, and they were already the same number, but I want them to have different signs. So I want this to become a positive, and it did. So now my y's cancel. I have negative 1x is equal to negative 1. Divide by negative 1 on both sides. That cancels, so x is equal to 1. My x value is 1, and the only one that has a 1 is letter A. Now remember, since they give you the x and the y, you can also plug them into both equations, and it should give you a true value for both. But in this case, we just did it by combination, and we got 1. Now if you want to get the value of y, we can just plug it in, and I'm going to plug it into the second equation to find y. Negative 2y equal to 2x plus 4, and that is a 1. Negative 2y is equal to 2 plus 4. Negative 2y is equal to 6. Divide by negative 2 on both sides, so y is equal to negative 3, and that corresponds. So my answer is A.